What's poppin' to MB Tribe? You already know who it is. It's your girl MaevëxBeauty back with another video. And of course it's a voiceover because your girl did not feel like explaining nothing as I was doing it. So of course, as you could tell before I started this video, I already went and filled in her eyebrows with my Benefit Cosmetics. What is it called? It's a set, but I'll put that down in the description box below because y'all know which set I always use. Now I'm going into her crease with this red shade because she is getting ready for a Christmas party. So, you know, I had to slay my bestie the best way that I could. I'm going in her crease with red on both sides. And then on the outer corners, I'm going in with a deep black to blend that out, make it a little smoky, not too smoky, if you feel what I'm saying. Then I will clean that up with my makeup remover to get her crease to be more sharp. Come back in with some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the cut crease and on her lid to cut it even more. Then I'm going to go in with some silver, red again, then this like rose gold, pinkish red, and then gold in her inner corners. I'm just going to pretty much explain everything so you guys can have fun and watch the rest of the video full throughout, because y'all know how I am with my voiceovers. I'm not in depth like that, but I do got to get better. So once I finish doing that, her eye look, I go straight into the face. I told her to go put on her own lashes because she can do her lashes and everything herself, and I really didn't feel like doing it. No, we did not use no eyeliner or do a dramatic wing for this look because I already used the silver. You'll see it once we get there, but I did her face very basic. Contour, highlight, y'all know, per usual, and we went through as we went through. I'll show y'all the finished look at the end. Brown lip liner and some red lips was always a go-to. Tell me what you guys think about this makeup look in the comment sections down below. Tell me guys if you would love to see more models sit in front of my camera and me doing makeup looks on them, or do you prefer makeup looks on me? Either way, you're going to get both, but hey, it wouldn't be a MaevëxBeauty video if I didn't get tongue-tied, because I'm pretty sure that I did throughout this time that I tried to explain some things to y'all, but I just didn't correct myself or whatever. But it's cool. Finish watching the video. Enjoy. Peace, love, blessings, and we out. Bye, y'all. Oh yeah, and y'all, all the products that I use in today's makeup look will be listed down in the description box below, because I know I did not say much of anything that was used. I said I did this, that, and the third. And yeah, and I also did go back into her crease with black and red and played around with it a little bit to blend it out, so it wasn't looking so, you know, obvious that, oh, this is two different colors. You always got to make sure you blend whenever you're doing makeup, eyeshadow, whatever. Any look that you're doing, whether you're just giving yourself eyeshadow and leaving it at the house, whether you're just doing your eyebrows and leaving it at the house, whether you're just doing concealer, it don't matter. Blending is the most important part. That's all I came in here to pretty much tell y'all. And yeah, let's get back into this video.
Back of my throat, my head can misfire. When I need the sun, it's going and drying, it's coming outside. Yeah, I run on that thing, like the cuz behind me. I spit on his mic and I hit trying to sign me. Your Honor, I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's T10. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In the wrong chain, I'm the one that eats you. If he ate my ass, he's a bottom feeder. Big D, stand for big demeanor. I can make you bust before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If he fuck me and ask who's is it, when I ride the dick, I'ma spell my name. Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and I'm with this wet ass pussy. Everything you got with this wet ass pussy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's a wet ass pussy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's a wet ass pussy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet ass pussy. Huh?
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down
fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck up from the back and she nasty, killing me. Know I give it up. I'll be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I make this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these shits, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, I'm two in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches first and they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be cheap. I can't be fucked with, no, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year.
Although I'm posting all of my videos after the holidays, I still would love to know what my tribe has been up to. How was your Christmas? What did you get for Christmas? What did you give out for Christmas? How was your New Year's? How did you bring that in? What are some of your resolutions? What are some of your goals and things like that? Let me know down below. I've accomplished some of mine before I even hit the New Year's, and I'm excited about that because I brought it in my new home. Like, I really got my own home, y'all. Like, it still feels so surreal. So let's have a discussion, y'all. Let's chat it on up in the comment sections down below. I love to get to know y'all more. I love to be in y'all little tea if y'all want to give me some. Or you can always email your girl at MaevëxBeauty@gmail.com to have more in-depth conversations with me and things like that. It don't matter. You know, we can have our prayer circles, our Bible studies, you know, confessionals, anything that you would love to do, anything that you would love to talk about. I'm here for you all, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm an open book, and I will be an open ear and open arms for you all as well. Let you know a little bit about me. I'm the sweetheart, and I'm very understanding, and I just love people, and I love to get to know people, and I love to help people out through their troubles and things like that. God has put me on this earth for a bigger and a better purpose, and I'm letting you guys know a little bit about that so that you know that you have someone that you can always talk to even when you think that you don't. But let me really get on out y'all hair for real now so y'all can enjoy this video. Peace, love, and blessings, and make this year your year. That's all I gotta say.
Throw that, well, when I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no.
If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that. I would've played it just how you wanted to play it. You didn't yet see my worth, so you tried to play me. But I was so in love, that I just got a little bit too complicated. But if I had you back, all I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, take drugs. All I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, hop, play. All I see would be no love. live like half of that. I'ma need my money back. I'm riding through your hood, it piss me off again. Feeling new niggas come find me. I been tripping like I don't got that designer pussy. All I'm trying to see is your credit card. Swipe it off of me, give me what I want. I don't need to just CC me, just VV me, just that dick when I call. No more feelings involved. I can see all I need to. Funny how you say you proud us. You don't ever pull up on me, put it on me. Right. You the one that want us, can't give no, can't give no. Fuck, you drunk, take drugs. All I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, hop, okay. All I said is no love. You, it would be no love.
What the? We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. I ain't slow, I been still slow down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie in the vet. Shout out to the bitches, I ain't holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, 6 ain't friendly, but I swear I live.
I just a wake up, you know. Our day